Teddy, come on. Good Teddy.
It's okay.
Let it sit.
Just let him be natural.
Yeah. Just don't go.
That's cute. Teddy, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. He's like a poodle?
He's Maltese, but we think he's mixed with something else for sure.
Okay. Have a little video tonight. Poor guy. He's a little nervous with the camera.
Yeah. Come on, Teddy. Come here. Come here. Come, Teddy. Come. Come here.
Come on, Tilly, do your job and interview this guy.
Good boy, Teddy. Good boy, Teddy. Good boy.